Okay, so not only backyards do, we also do front yards. And particular jobs like this, some things you can learn from this that I think worked out well is when you have a large driveway is to break it up with some grass strips. So this is a gigantic driveway, so breaking it up, these little 6-inch grass strips with concrete pads. And on a job like this, the best way to do it is you concrete under the grass so it doesn't start sinking down the road. So large driveway, grass strips, break it up nice. Come over this way. Lights in the stairs, precast steps, and stone facing underneath it. We put 2 big, beautiful olive trees as a setting to walk into the yard. Rest of the yard, we have stairs coming up. If you do more than 3 steps together, you have to have a handrail, and that doesn't look as nice with a handrail, so we just put 3 stairs in. We have little pot shelves on the end, which looks pretty nice. This is all tile overlay over concrete with 2 beautiful olive trees on the sides. And this yard was so large, they wanted to eat up some of the space, so we put in some walls. We make this gigantic courtyard feel, so just kind of eat up some of the space.